this virus. That's not fair.
So this is a recent ching with my pop chick play fun in Aries' phone, mom's phone for Aries.
So ching.
It's actually my auntie's phone. This is my baby. My baby Aurora has text.
So
She has dextrose.
So guys, I made this for Ching Ching gifts. So here it goes. This is Chick Chick's bottle when she was a little. So I put it with tape and real cotton and I seal it. So it's no water, just pretend.
Yeah, but we need water in here.
No, Ching Ching. This is a covered paper, right? Ching Ching, why are you looking? Guys, we're in Lola's room.
Grandma.
Yes, Grandma's room.
My skin is so beautiful in there.
So guys, can you watch us in 2020 and search us in the YouTube and
Aries and Ching with my pop chick play fun. Sorry guys, we're changing our channel. No more Aries and Ching with my pop chick play fun. We're gonna change it in. Guess it. Aries and Ching Kingdom. Aries and Ching Castle Fun.
guys, I was gonna change our old video and family toys.
Not family toys now, because YouTube says no family in there. We just need Aries and Ching Kingdom. Guys, what do you vote? What do you vote? Aries and Ching Kingdom or Aries and Ching Castle Fun? Guys, YouTube is so crazy. YouTube made a made for kids content. YouTube, please don't made for kids content. So they can comment.
Ate, why you here?
Ate is, yeah.
No,
My
Ate, we're vlogging.
Ate means sis. And
So
what is this, guys? I'm so excited. YouTube, please don't make a made for kids content for us so they can comment.
I'm here at the terrace, so guys,
At our grandma's room. We have girl squad room now. Yeah!
guys, our stairs is made of paper. So guys, that's so crazy. It's our room stair. Look, this is Lola's terrace. Yeah, this is Lola's terrace.
Lola means grandma.
So guys, who's knocking? Who's knocking? Who's knocking? Guys, we're scared and shopping.
There's not knocking. I think the knocking is outside. Oh no, it's so scary. Who's knocking?
This is a horror version, guys. So guys,
Please check it.
oh no. Oh no, let's protect our baby.
Why it's knocking something, guys? Let us check it because it's kind of scary.
Yes.
So,
Hey guys,
we're not pretending it's real knocking.
yes. Maybe our good ghost friend.
No, it's not. It's so scary.
Okay, let's go call our good ghost because
Don't call it.
no, the good ghost is Ayana.
No, don't call it. It's so scary.
Okay,
Our good ghost friend, but it's kind of scary, so I don't want it.
guys.
Guys, it's kind of scary, so you are only our best friend here, so I think there's something in here.
Maybe Caroline is knocking there.
No, it's just so scary. And
Maybe it's a moo.
no, don't tell that. I think it's just ate, or maybe our sis, or maybe it's a real ghost or something. It's kind of scary. So
yes, it's kind of weird.
Yeah, it's
So guys,
weird.
the baby is just safe. I covered.
It's so scary. So I don't like it. So
guys, I was gonna protect Grease.
it's so scared. It's not true, Aries, but it's why there's knocking in there, knocking noises, and I'm so scared.
Let's go check it out.
No, I don't want to check it out.
I want to go down.
Ah, let's go down.
Okay.
So bye bye guys. That's so scary. So
We're gonna go down.
we're gonna go down. Bye bye.